Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the dining room. It's a little warmer in here than it was outside yesterday, and sorry that video was so short, but as you could tell I was slipping and sliding down the sidewalk and I thought I better pay attention to what I was doing. So hopefully you had a chance to just take a look at your mission for yesterday, which was to think about any details you would need to plan for any meals, so decorations, things like that. Okay, so today is Wednesday, November 13th, and we are on to mission number 18 of the Fly Ladies Cruising Through the Holidays mission. So we are definitely moving right along. We're into the second half of these missions. As you can tell, it's super bright outside. I don't know if you can see, let's see. You can kind of see now I get all dark, but we have snow out there. So yeah, it's very, very cold here in the Midwest where I lived. So I'm staying in, staying warm. We had no school today. My daughter's actually having a play date next door at the neighbor, and that's awesome. So thank you to my neighbor who's so nice to let her come over and play for a little bit. And I'm getting a few things done like this. So anyway, on to today's mission. So today's mission, the Fly Lady calls it Toy Box Diving. So it's Anti-Procrastination Day, as you know, in the Fly Lady system. Wednesday is always your Anti-Procrastination Day. So she wants you just to go in and see what you can find to get rid of out of the toy boxes. Or toy box. Maybe you have more than one or just one, but either way, see if there are some toys you can either share and pass on. I know we like to do the Christmas Child Box program, so we're looking for some toys that are great to put in there, or pass on to a friend or neighbor, donate. There's all kinds of ways we can share our toys with others. So since we have new ones probably coming in for the holidays, this is a good thing to do, start getting some of these out. So I found a bag. There's always plenty of bags in our house, tote bags, and I've just pulled out, just random stuff. These are like little bags that she got little gifts in, and they're not really big enough to put a lot in, and she's like me and she packs them full, so I'm sure we have plenty of other bigger bags. This was a bank. It was a cute little gift we got last year, but we don't need it. Just random stuff, toys from the drive-through. We don't need those. All kinds of goodies. And this even I need to find her dress, but this is Anna. And it was kind of an impulse buy when she was with us one time, and she never really played with it. Like after that day, all she did was take her dress off, and then she's just been lying around the house naked, poor girl. So I need to find her clothes, and I'm sure some other little kid would love getting that. So take a few minutes, set your timer. If you're working in your zone, like me, I flip-flop. So if you're in zone 3, that's on the Fly Lady system, that's either the kids' bedroom or the guest bedroom. So you could spend a few minutes for your zone cleaning. 10 or 15 is plenty. And just see what you can pull out. And that way you've, again, gotten one more little batch of stuff out of the house, and you're making your home ready for the holidays. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know what's your one item that you found to get rid of today, if it's toys related or just that one thing that it's an anti-procrastination day kind of thing, and you go, why have I been holding on to this, or why haven't I fixed this, or why haven't I just thrown this away or recycled it or whatever. So let's get those things done. Hopefully you're doing well, staying warm if you're in a cold climate like I am, and I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you're enjoying this series, and I will see you then. Have a good day. Bye-bye.